See how delicious this fried rice is looking, and it is super easy to make as well. You can serve at least 20 guests with this recipe, so keep watching, let's begin. The first thing I like to do is to fry the rice. So in a pot, I'm going to heat up some oil and butter before I go in with a little bit of curry, add some seasoning, your grated ginger, whatever dry aromatics you're using, add it now. Once it heats up for about a minute, you're going to now add your properly washed rice. This rice, I soaked it for a few minutes before I washed multiple times till the water ran clear. What I'm going to do next is fry the rice in that seasoned oil for about 7 to 10 minutes. What this process will do is help improve the texture and flavor of the rice. It can also help it last for a longer period of time. Now, bear in mind that frying is also one method of cooking. So if you fry your rice, you may not necessarily need a lot of stock or water for your rice, depending on the kind of rice you're using anyway. I like to add the liquid just beneath the rice and let it cook till it is about 70% done. Take it off the heat and leave it open to cool while you go ahead to prepare the veggies. In a separate pan, I'm going to go in with some of this oil which I have fried my turkey with, and then add some shrimps, a bit of seasoning, and fry for about 3 minutes. Take it off the heat, and then in that same oil I'm going to add some corn. I'm starting off with the corn because the corn is raw. And once I add the corn, I'll add some onion, give that a good mix, and let everything come together for about a minute. So while it is frying for about a minute, you want to quickly grate up some fresh garlic and ginger. Ginger is very nice for your fried rice, so if you don't already add ginger to your fried rice, start today, okay? So I'm going to stir that in, and I added some fresh pepper as well, and I'm going to let this fry for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to now add our chopped green beans, some green bell pepper, fried liver, the shrimps, and carrot. Please don't use liver that is not fried for your fried rice, okay? Now add your seasoning, season this to taste, and then we are going to stir this around and allow this to fry for another 3 minutes. One thing I like to add to this as well to elevate the taste is a bit of sesame oil. So add that and cover for it to steam for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, transfer the veggies into the cooked rice and stir this on high heat for another 5 to 7 minutes so that everything is properly locked in. My pot was a bit small and tight, so I transferred this into a wide enough pot and continued to stir on high heat like I said. Once that is done, finish up with some green onion and turn off the heat immediately. Your fried rice is ready to be enjoyed with coleslaw or plantain, however you love it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.